And after lunch, we went through my examination in chief in the afternoon, and possible areas of cross-examination by the councils for the National Assembly and by the senators themselves. And my team took off for the Senate, and I went through my office to pick my notes. And when I was going to the office is when suddenly I developed very, very intense pain in the chest. And I sat down, and the pain continued. And it was very intense and very sharp. And I did call my doctor, Dr. Gachagua, of this hospital, who has been my doctor for the last 20 years. And I described him in brief how I was feeling, of the intensity of the pain, and I told him it was very, very, very intense. And as we were speaking, I started having shortness of breath, and Dr. Gachagua instructed me to drop everything I was doing and get here to Karen as quickly as possible. He told me what I had described is not a good thing, and I should come here. And I went down through the lift to my car, and he instructed my people to very speedily bring me here. And by the time I was getting here, I was under a lot of pain and shortness of breath. And I found Dr. Gachagua and his team of paramedics were waiting for me, and quickly examined me. And he quickly made a decision that I must be admitted immediately for observation and possible treatment. And in fact, after I stabilized, he did tell me that had I been late for another 20 minutes, we would be talking a different story today. He did want to thank Dr. Gachagua and his team of doctors and paramedics and the nurses. They have really taken very good care of me. And he would have wanted me to stay a bit longer for further observation. But I've requested that he allows me to go home. And he thinks I'm quite stable to go home, where he can look after me when from home. My home is not far away from here. And if there is any problem, I should be able to get back here. But as we speak, I'm okay. A little bit weak, but I feel better. The pain, the intense pain has gone away. What is there is very little pain. It is manageable for a man. A man must be able to withstand some of these small things. But in his assessment, I'm out of danger. But when I came in, it was very, very, very severe. And I want to thank the people of Kenya for their prayers. And I'm sorry many came to see me. I was not able to see them. The doctor could not allow them because I needed a lot of rest. And I was at a very serious observation by a team of doctors and nurses. And therefore I was not able to receive visitors. And I want to thank those who took their time to come and visit me. Millions of Kenyans who have been praying for me for my quick recovery. I really want to thank them and to say that I will remain forever indebted to them for their concern, for their love, and for wishing me quick recovery.